why you should be known for something other than your position title. I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I've led projects all over the world in continuous improvement, and I will tell you this is absolutely one of my secrets. Being known for something other than your position title. Now, my focus is on continuous improvement. For continuous improvement professionals, it can be really important that we meet the right people, that we get the support across the organization for our projects. So this is where an activity like this or some thought towards this can really help you. And it helped me. When I moved from being an employee to actually moving into consulting, I actually went overseas from California to Angola. And in Angola, in Africa, I lived in a camp. Now that camp was about 80% men. It was about 80% or 20% expat. And so it was an unusual situation. And what I found was that I still needed to have something authentic to me, that I needed to enjoy things that I like to enjoy. Now, one of those things that I loved to do was yoga. So what I did was I started a little yoga group. We met 3 times a week. It was wonderful for me. It was the best yoga practice I had because it was very consistent that I had it 3 times a week. I met people all across the organization, from big managers to people that were doing day-to-day jobs that maybe just came into the camp for short periods of time. I got to meet all kinds of people I never would have met. And so this is where I want to give you that tip of being known for something other than your position title. Before I went into this consulting job, I actually had a manager that gave me a book, and the book was quite brutal. I was looking for it before this. If I find it, I'll put it in the comments. But one of the tips that was not so harsh was to be known for something other than your position title. And at the time, I just kind of took it for granted. I didn't really think about it anymore. But as my career has grown, I realized how important this is and how important it is to our careers as continuous improvement professionals. It gives us the chance to meet people we would have never met before, to have conversations and discussions with people we never would have before. So I really encourage you, if there's a hobby, if there's something you're interested in, bring your authentic self to work. Share that with others. See if other people are interested. It's a great chance for you to meet like-minded people, but it's also a chance for you to meet people you never would have met and help preach continuous improvement to them.